Magandang araw pong muli sa inyo mga kaibigan. Muli mayroon pong malungkot na balita sapagkat mayroon pong third case ng coronavirus dito sa Naga City. Kung maalala nyo po yung second case po na namatay dito sa Naga City na isa na pong matandang lalaki. Nagkaroon po ng tracing sa mga nakasama niya, kaya 8 po ang na-test na mga nakasama niya o siguro mga kasama niya sa bahay, mga anak niya at iba pa. 8 po yun na tinest, pero po isa po doon ay nag-positive. Siya po ay isang babae. Kaya dito po ay 3 case na po ng coronavirus sa Naga City. Dito po yan sa Calawag, Naga City. Katabi lang po yan ng barangay ko, kaya alert po kami sapagkat delikado po ang sitwasyon dito. Kanina po lumabas ako, buong Naga City ngayon hindi ka pwedeng pumasok kahit saan na barangay kung hindi ka taga doon. Talagang ang punta mo lang market at bahay, ganun lang po. Alert po ngayon dito sapagkat iniiwasan na kumalat ang coronavirus. Nagbigay na po ng official statement ang aming mayor. Babasahin ko na lang po sa inyo para hindi ako magkamali. Official statement on Naga's third confirmed COVID-19 case. It is with great sadness that I am announcing to you today that one of the 8 individuals who have direct contact with the COVID-19 patient from Barangay Calawag tested positive for SARS-CoV to the virus that caused COVID-19. Our third COVID-19 patient has been coded by the Department of Health CHT as Bicol number 16. She is 59 years old, a resident of Calawag, and is related to our city's second COVID-19 patients. She is currently at the Bicol Medical Center. It is for the reason in following the advice of Dr. Vito Vorha II, City Health Officer, that we will continue the extreme enhanced community quarantine covering most parts of Barangay Calawag and Villa Karangahan until further notice. Meanwhile, that further contact tracing and other activities of Naga City Epidemiology and Surveillance Unit are being done. I am directing the temporary closure of all stores along Onyx, Garnet, Sapphire, and Diamond Streets. I have also directed, upon the advice of the City Health Officer, to isolate the patient's immediate family to a city-controlled quarantine facility for monitoring. Nasopharyngeal swabbing of the immediate family members will also be done. Again, I call upon every Nagueño to remain vigilant. Please continue to observe proper hygiene and sanitation and follow all measures advised for our health authorities. God bless us all. Mayor Nelson Ligacion. Yan po mga kaibigan ang official statement ng aming mayor dito sa Naga City. Nakakalungkot man po, pero kailangan po namin itong harapin. At sa tingin ko magtatagumpay kami dito kasi alert po yung mga barangay namin dito at sigurado panalo kami. Sana po ipagdasal nyo rin po kami. Marami pong salamat sa inyo.